Hey, Carlos here in Ottawa for the Kid Food Nation. Welcome dinner.
Hey, it's me, Spencer. I'm disguised as a chef so I can join in on the fun. Shh, don't tell anyone.
Spencer, I know it's you. Plus, you were invited, so all this isn't really necessary.
Was it the mustache?
A little bit.
Oh.
We're here for the pre-gala dinner. There's a lot going on. There's food stations, chef skills, plus the winners are all here, so are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, here's the plan. You do the chef skills, and I'll take care of the food.
All right.
Have fun.
Okay. It's melting.
What a night! I can't wait for the gala tomorrow.
I think I might retire the chef uniform after this one. Yeah.
Carlos and Spencer coming at you from the Kid Food Nation Gala in Ottawa.
Today, we're celebrating all the winners from the Kid Food Nation contest. They submitted a tasty recipe, and now they get to feast like royalty.
So Spencer, this is your first time attending, so I've organized a little boot camp to get you ready.
Let's do this.
Tons of fun to be had. Your mission is to master all the activities, starting with
Mastering the art of caricaturing.
serving up a healthy drink.
Okay.
What is it? I don't know what that is.
And finally, juggling.
This party's for all the Kid Food Nation contest winners. They submitted tasty recipes, and bam, here they are.
You know, I think we should talk to some of these junior chefs. They're kind of a big deal around here.
Because it's a pickle.
Or dill pickle.
Dill pickle.
Olivia's here from Manitoba. Olivia, tell us about your winning recipe.
It's cauliflower shepherd's pie. So meat, beans, corns, and peas, and then cauliflower.
Like, of all of those things, what is your favorite ingredient in your recipe?
Cauliflower.
I'm with Jaden from Calgary. Would you tell me, what did you submit for your recipe?
I submitted egg salad sandwiches with a secret ingredient, turmeric.
Ooh, that is a secret ingredient.
We got Azrin from Manitoba here. Okay, so what is the main ingredient in your winning recipe?
It would be ground beef.
Ground beef. So your recipe is probably like a shepherd's pie or like a ground beef with rice or something.
No, it's a soup.
Soup? A ground beef soup? What's it called?
It is called lazy soup.
Oh, yeah. See, that's my kind of soup. I like that. Lazy, anything, that's for me. Malik is from Winnipeg. Is this your first time in Ottawa?
Yes.
Did you do a victory dance when you found out that you won the contest?
Oh, yeah. You want me to show you?
Yeah.
I did.
What's your recipe?
It's called Choco BB Protein Balls.
So I imagine those give you lots of energy.
Yeah.
Samuel, where did you fly in from?
Moncton, New Brunswick.
Wow, and what was your recipe?
Birthday Puff Puff.
I want to try the birthday puff puff so badly. I saw that they were on the menu. What has been your favorite part of the Kid Food Nation Gala?
I'm tasting all the foods.
Hi, Natalie. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. So where are you from?
I'm from Cape Breton.
And is this your first time in our nation's capital?
Yes.
So what's your recipe?
Rainbow smoothie.
Okay, and how do you make that rainbow smoothie? What's in it?
Lots of different kinds of fruit and yogurt and some orange juice.
All this talking about foods make me hungry.
Well, we're in the right spot. Let's go eat.
Yeah.